10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Injection, fellas.
Ba-da-ba-ba. Da-da.
I'm gonna show you some funny thing.
Do you want to do this so you can film it?
Oh, you can do the other one.
Screen turtle.
Mocha.
28.
Oh, nothing.
There was a pretty good TikTok, and it was like baristas' reactions to like customers looking at their latte art, like as in
Am I the one that filmed that?
well, it was like a series of like they pass one out with latte art, someone just drinks it straight away, and that's like heartbreak. And then there was another one where it was like somebody's like, oh my god, that's really cool, and the florist's face lights up, being like, oh my god, thanks.
Oh, lights up.
Like no worries, like it's nothing kind of thing, but like it was really strenuous and hard to do.
The mocha.
Thank you. Why do you have two cameras going?